how to fix Wix mobile video not playing. I'm going to show you how you can easily fix Wix mobile video not playing. First, go to your web browser and search for wix.com. Now click on the first link to visit the Wix website. Ensure both Wix and your browser is up to date. Next, log into your account and select the site by clicking on it. Click on the Design Site button on the top right side of the screen. Select the option you like to design your website. Now, click the Pick a Template button to customize the template. Browse through all the given templates here. Once you select the template, click the View button to preview the template. To customize this, click the Edit this site option and start editing the template. It will start preparing and loading all the pages. Next, customize the site template as you need and start editing. Click on the mobile icon on the top menu bar to view your site on the mobile. Now customize the header and back to top button style on mobile. Scroll down to view the complete site. Once finished, click the Publish button to start publishing. You can contact Wix support for help. They can assist you with issues.